Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in West Sussex in Horsham and looking forward to showing you around our largest of our J offices, our 3.5 by 2.5 here in Horsham. So we met this client in around the middle of 2024, and this is quite a common use of a room. So he bought a new property, looking to do a lot of work in a property, and needed somewhere a little bit of living space, but also as the main office and get out the way. Ahead of this, he's actually working in the hallway, bless him. So it's been really nice to be able to help him out with this building. To keep the cost down, there's lots of bits he's done himself on this, external painting, internal, the laminate flooring, along with the electrics as well. Set up with the door to the left and two windows to the right. You can do this in alternative ways, door in the middle, but actually this way kind of gives the maximum space inside, and being used as a daily office and a little bit of a man cave there, so we really like it's being enjoyed for lots of different usages. And can you believe there was 10 people in here Christmas Day, all sat around the table having their Christmas meal because the house wasn't quite ready. So it's a really nice way. You wouldn't quite believe they'd fit in there, but he assures me they did, and then off playing karaoke afterwards. So really lovely to be able to see how a relatively small space, an old school 12 by 8, can be used for that many people. The dining room table was well enjoyed. So over the years this will become more just an office and man cave, but being used now for multiple purpose, and that's the benefit of having a larger room like this. Now, our small little offices, 2.3 by 1.8 for example, really just does that one thing, whereas this can be multi-purpose and multi-use over the years. We'd almost say this would be studio-esque. All the usual things you would expect from us, 2.5 metres high, so you do not need planning, cement board to the three walls, and then the MTX to the front there. A really lovely building, finished in the anthracite, so painted by the client, and fully completed to keep the costs down. So there you go, that's our largest J, which is a 3.5 by 2.5 with our 10-year guarantee, fully completed here in Horsham. Hope that's of interest to you. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and if you've got any questions, please do let us know.